Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make a fresh Google account. Creating a new fresh Google account gives you access to Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, Google Photos, and other Google services. The setup process only takes a few minutes and can be completed on a Windows PC with an internet connection. Follow the steps below to create a fresh Google account. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and connect it to the internet. Open a web browser such as Chrome or Edge browser. Go to the Gmail website or click Gmail in the top right corner of the Google homepage. Click Create Account, then select For Myself or choose another option if it better fits your needs. Enter your first and last name, then click Next. Enter your birth date and gender. Then click Next. Choose your preferred Gmail address or username. Then click Next. Create a strong password and confirm it. Now click Next. A QR code may appear for phone verification. Using your mobile phone, scan the QR code. Then open the link that appears. Then verify your phone number by tapping Verify. Optional but recommended. Then return to your PC. Enter recovery email address such as your primary email account. Then click Next. Review your account information and click Next to continue. Read Google's privacy policy in terms of service. Then click I agree to finish creating your new fresh Google account. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.